Welcome, artists and enthusiasts. Today, we'll be creating a captivating geometric pattern inspired by the yin and yang symbol. This artwork requires precision and patience. So let's dive in with our first step. We begin by finding the center of the paper. It's essential for the symmetry of our design. Mark two small vertical lines, the first one 12.4 centimeters above, and the second one 12.4 centimeters bottom of the center point. These marks are pivotal for our drawing's accuracy. Next, grab your technical pen and compass. We're drawing a circle with a 24.8 centimeters diameter. Make sure your circle intersects the vertical small lines we marked before. With our circle in place, let's divide it into 6 equal segments. Use the initial vertical marks as references. Now switch to an HB pencil for more detailed work. Mark every 1 centimeter on each segment of the circle using the compass. These marks will be our guide for drawing the main lines, so accuracy is key here. With our detailed marks in place, let's start connecting them. Draw a line from point A to points C and E. Then, move one point aside and connect B with F and G. Continue this method all around the circle. For those of you following along and aspiring to create your own geometric art, remember that practice and patience are your best tools. Start with simple shapes and gradually move to more complex designs. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every line you draw is a step towards mastery. For the upper half of the pattern, start from the top. Connect point C to A and B. Then shift 1 point over and replicate this pattern on the other half. These lines will start forming the mesmerizing pattern of our yin and yang. You might be wondering about the yin and yang symbol we're bringing to life today. This ancient symbol represents balance and duality. It's about the balance in life, the blend of light and shadow, and how contrasting elements can create a perfect harmony. Isn't it amazing how art can encapsulate such profound ideas? As we wrap up this session, a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please subscribe to Artees for more artistic explorations. Give this video a like if you found it helpful or inspiring, and share it to spread the art love. Remember, every like, share, and subscription make a huge difference and keeps our artistic journey alive and thriving. Thanks for watching, and keep creating. Finally, it's time to clean up our artwork. Carefully erase all the extra marks, revealing the clean, crisp lines of your geometric pattern. And there we have it, a beautiful geometric interpretation of the yin and yang. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to explore the wonders of geometric art. Remember, practice makes perfect. Share your creations and keep exploring the fascinating world of geometry and art.